Hello everybody, welcome back to another update on potential Tropical Cyclone 1 now. The National Hurricane Center just announced that it is now a potential tropical cyclone. Latest coming at 8:30 p.m. EDT or Eastern Time, June 2nd, 2022. Now, the status of the storm is a potential tropical cyclone low, and the wind speeds are at 35 miles an hour, pressure at 1,003 millibars. The movement is north at 5 miles an hour, and the severity is 4 out of 10. Looking at the NHC Tropical Cyclone and Disturbance map, you can definitely see potential Tropical Cyclone 1 marked as the X with the 1 on top of it. It has all the statistics over here, and formation chances are really high at 90% 48 hours and 90% 5 days. It should be expected to become a tropical storm by tomorrow afternoon. Looking at the NHC Future Path Forecast for a potential Tropical Cyclone 1, it does become a depression later tonight or very early tomorrow morning, and does become a tropical storm by tomorrow afternoon. Definitely intensifying all the way into Florida, most likely. Does weaken maybe a little bit, but does come off on the other side of Florida and eastern Florida, and does continue its track toward north of Bermuda in the next 5 days. Potential rainfall amount forecast. Definitely you can see some of those 6 to 10 inches, definitely in the Key West, in Miami and southern Florida. Tampa and Orlando should be getting 2 inches or less, 2 to 4 inches in between that, and then a little bit north of Miami, I would say, is a fairly good chance of 4 to 6 inches. But definitely southern Florida is the main target of the system. Taking a look at convection imagery and water vapor imagery, you can definitely see that convection is definitely on the eastern side of the storm. I mean, the convection is so compact in some places that you might think it's already south of Cuba, while the real low pressure system is only around 50 miles off the coast of the Yucatan Peninsula, and is very lopsided due to that very heavy wind shear. On water vapor imagery, there is less dry air in the area right now, so it could have a better chance of development. You can definitely see those water vapor imagery bubbles popping up closer to the center. Definitely see that low circulation there. It already has that form of characteristics of those streaks coming on the top of the system as it rotates counterclockwise and starts heading north a little bit. And yes, you can definitely see a lot of that water vapors on the eastern side of the system, which is the strongest by far. Finally, ending off with the NHC tropical weather discussion, and it does mark out potential tropical cyclone 1. It is near Cozumel, Mexico, moving north at 4 knots. Minimum central pressure 1,003 millibars. Maximum sustained is 30 knots with wind gusts up to 40 knots. A lot of moderate to isolated strong convection is east of the center, from 8 degrees north to 23 degrees north, between 80 degrees west and 85 degrees west. Scattered moderate convection is also noted within 60 nautical miles of the low center. Potential tropical cyclone 1 is forecasted to develop into a tropical depression or storm over the next 12 to 24 hours or by tomorrow as the storm moves northeast. And that's basically it for today's video. I will post another one tomorrow, definitely, because it's definitely going to be the first tropical system of 2022 in the northern Atlantic hurricane season. So it's going to be very fun to see what this storm does, and hopefully it doesn't affect southern Florida as much as they predicted to. But other than that, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn on notifications so you don't miss a new hurricane update. Alright, bye everyone.